times, excited ako mamaya, siyempre. Saka, at the same time, siyempre kinakabahan. Almost 12 years, no? Tapos, yun nga, after this day, kasal na tayo. So, excited ako. At the same time, kinakabahan. Mamaya, kita tayo. At talagang excited ako makita ka kung gano'ng kaganda ngayon hapon to.
All the times I have sat and stared as she thoughtfully thumbs through her hair, as she purses her lips, bats her eyes, and she plays with me, sitting there slack-jawed and nothing to say, 'cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands.
First time ko to, and also kasi, ayun, hindi ako sanay na syndrome at rap.
Sanay, nararamdaman mo. May second time.
Siyempre, hindi ko alam kung ano mangyari after. Alam niyo naman.
As the world spins around her, she laughs, rolls her eyes, and I feel like I'm falling, but it's no surprise, 'cause I love her with all that I am, and my voice shakes along with my hands, 'cause it's frightening to be swimming in this strange sea, but I'd rather be here than on land, and she's all that I see, and she's all that I need, and I'm out of my league once again.
Napakagwapo mo talaga. Manang-mana ka sa akin. Congratulations, boy.
Dapat.
Congrats. Thanks. I know that this is one of your greatest prayers. At sabi nga, ngayon nilalakaran mo na yung prayer mo. And I always know na God is always there sa marriage mo, sa future family mo, and sunod-sunod na yung dreams na minsan lang sinusulat mo, pinaplanner mo sa Starbucks. And I'm so happy for you and so proud of you. Galing. Love you.
Love you too, Miss City. Sino ka? Kung umiyak agad, umiiyak ka. Today, I'm feeling both nervous and excited at the same time kasi matagal natin itong hinintay. So for Lay, this is it. Ito na yun. So we've been waiting this for 11 years na ata. And ito na. Totoo na. Thank you for making this thing happen. Alam kong challenging siya and hindi tayo ganun privileged like others, but we made it. So thank you ako. Nagte-thank you ako sa'yo. And sa, ayun, kasi pinagbigyan mo ako for this. Yan lang. Thank you so much. Love you.
So friends and family of Leo and Joanna, welcome and thank you for being here. As an introductions, allow me to share with you how Leo and Joanna started their journey. At ito talaga sabi ko, ano ba yung sasabihin natin doon, Lay? So, and then, he gave me some background and, you know, just like any other couple, they have their own story of how their love began and blossom and have led to this moment. They fell in love and wanted to pursue a relationship where they can feel love and care. Actually, noong 2008, naging magka-classmate po sila. And then, 2010, nagkaroon na po po sila ng mutual feelings. So, umabot po noon ng 13 years. So, ngayon, napakahabang hintayin. But, siyempre, lagi tayo magpapasalamat sa Panginoon.
every night. When that moon is big and bright, it's a supernatural delight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Everybody here is out of sight. They don't bark and they don't bite. They keep their loose to keep it tight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We like our fun and we never fight. You can dance and stay uptight. It's a supernatural delight. Everybody was dancing in the moonlight. Dancing in the moonlight. Everybody's feeling warm and bright. It's such a fine and natural sight. Everybody's dancing in the moonlight. We get it almost every night.